Activities to complete. Activity number 1. Find some advertising from Red Bull, Apple, Samsung, and write down how effective you think their ads are and why. One of my particular favorites is an Apple ad, the fitness ads from a few years ago. If you go on YouTube and you can find those, they're really, really clever. They're a marketing company that sells widget X. So they presented a lifestyle and then sold widget X, which was their iPhone, to enable the lifestyle that people were seeking. So go and have a look at that if you get a chance. Activity number 2. Without reviewing a lesson, write a sentence or two to explain why most new companies fail. Activity number 3. Without reviewing the lesson, name the 2 resources you have that you can use in your marketing campaign.